How to change your alarm sound on iPhone. To change your alarm sound, firstly navigate to the clock app. Open your clock app and you will see all the alarm that you have set. If you want to set a new alarm, then click on the plus icon at the top right corner. Set your timer and click on the save option at the top right corner to save your alarm. Now click on the alarm that you just created, or you can choose any of the existing one. After that, you will see an option called Sound. Click on that. Under the section Ringtones, you will see a lot of tones. Click any of the sound to listen to what they sound like. If you like a sound, then select it. You can also click on Pick a Song to pick a song from your music library. Now go back to your previous page. Click on Back. After setting your sound, click on Save at the top right corner to save your alarm. After you have saved the sound, anytime the ringtone will activate, you will hear that sound. If you are having some problem, then give your device a quick restart to set up the process. If you are still having problem, then repeat the process or try to look for system software update. That's all for today. Thank you.